Hey guys, today let's learn how to fix the missing feature of course, or basically rather those features that are missing on TikTok. You can do it easily by tapping to your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then you just tap on three lines at the top right corner of the screen. From the appearance menu, proceed to settings and privacy, and then tap on account. And I want you basically switch over here, as you see over here, to switch to personal account. Now right now we are this set to switch to personal account because I am currently using a professional account already. But for those personal account users or those new users on TikTok, right here on this section they should see what it says that they should switch to a professional account. So I do want you guys to switch to a professional account, and that is going to give you more features on TikTok.
If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comments section below. Hit the like button, tell me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly, everything else. I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I will catch you guys in the next video.